Let's explain how to resolve the type error, unknown file extension, .ts, error you might encounter when running Mocha tests with TypeScript. This error typically arises because Mocha, by default, doesn't understand TypeScript files, .ts. It needs help to understand and process your TypeScript test files before running them. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix this. 1. Install necessary packages. First, ensure you have the TypeScript compiler, TypeScript, and a suitable Mocha TypeScript preprocessor installed. You'll likely need TypeScript and TypeScript. Open your terminal, navigate to your project directory, and run. npm install. Save dev TypeScript TypeScript @types Mocha. This installs TypeScript, allows you to run TypeScript files directly with Node.js via TypeScript, and provides type definitions for Mocha, helping your IDE and TypeScript compiler understand Mocha's API. 2. Configure its config.json. You need its config.json file to tell the TypeScript compiler how to compile your code. If you don't already have one, create it in your project's root directory. A minimal configuration might look like this: compiler options, a target, ES6, module, common Js, S-module interop, true, allow Js, true, outdir, /dist, add sys. Adjust the target and module options as necessary to match your project's needs. This module interop helps with interoperability between ES modules and common JS, and allow Js lets you include JavaScript files alongside your TypeScript files. The outdir specifies where to put compiled JavaScript files. 3. Compile your TypeScript code. Before running Mocha tests, you should compile your TypeScript files into JavaScript. You can do this using the command tsc in your terminal from the root directory of your project. This will generate the JavaScript files in the directory specified in your tsconfig.json file. Usually pass your dist. 4. Run Mocha tests. Now use test node to run your Mocha tests. Assuming your tests are in a directory named test, and your main test file is test.ts, your command would be etsnode or tsconfig paths register, node modules bin, Mocha, require source map support, register test, ts. Tsconfig paths register helps Mocha resolve paths defined in your tsconfig JSON files, base URL, and paths properties. It's a key piece for properly resolving module paths in your tests. Source map support register helps with debugging by providing stack traces that point to your original TypeScript code rather than the compiled JavaScript. Alternatively, you could configure your Mocha settings directly in your package.json script section to avoid the lengthy command line execution. This is more convenient for repeat testing. 5. Alternative: using a test runner with built-in TypeScript support. Instead of using tsnode directly, consider test runners like Jest or Vitest. These runners often have built-in TypeScript support, simplifying the setup process by handling compilation and execution automatically. They often provide a more streamlined and user-friendly testing experience. Choosing either requires adding it to your project and adjusting settings accordingly, as their configuration differs slightly from the pure Mocha configuration mentioned above. Remember to consult their documentation for specific instructions. By following these steps, you should successfully eliminate the type error, unknown file extension, .ts error, and run your Mocha tests with TypeScript without issues. Remember to adjust paths and file names to match your project structure.